Park Lookers, we are up early again for a trip to Drayton Manor for a very exciting day. Today is the day Goldrush opens. Recently, last few years, I think the UK theme parks made a real effort to make family thrill coasters good. You know what I mean? You just have to look at things like Minifigure Speedway, Mandrill Mayhem, even the Wave at Drayton now. When I was struggling to get on coasters, I was terrified of them. It was the family coasters that were helping, you know what I mean? They're giving me the experience, giving me the push up. There just weren't many thrill ones, you know what I mean? At the moment, before these last few coasters opened, just wasn't anything really that straddled the two, where the gap between family and thrill. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting on this one today, seeing what it's like and seeing if it helps, and can I help people that used to be in my position? Because, like I say, family thrill definitely helps you step up to big thrill. So yeah, we're at the train station. Get on train. See you over there. So we've made it into the queue for Goldrush here at Drayton Manor, and we've got thrills and food here as well. We're super excited, guys. We can't wait. We'll get on it. We'll let you know what we think. So they've just opened the ride area, and the queues are moving now.
And it's open, so let's join the queue line. Hey guys! Let's worry, Laurie.
Let's get that go! That's it, keep moving.
Oh, we'll
Get out of here, you.
Here we go, we are in the queue line. And it looks fantastic.
What's the matter with here, haven't we?
Just testing with the staffing now. That looks really good. What are your first thoughts, Casper? The theming's really, really good. I like the audio down here. That's really, really cool. I really just with the impression you're walking through, it's old fashioned behind. Whilst also not really just graphical landing, which is quite cool. It's all the Western vibes, isn't it? But it looks, it's really original. It's great. It is, yeah. It's got a really long queue line. And it's not cow paint either, which is really good. That's great. Yeah. Two cycles for it. So, who knows which one you're going to get? Hey, that's some great elements on it. Yeah, it's great. I think it's going to be really fun.
Although you haven't had the second cycle, I'm hoping to get the second cycle. I don't know what it's going to be.
I like how it interacts with that rollercoaster as well. It's great.
So we are now in the station, ready to get on the ride. Look forward to this. This is exciting. The station, though, look how good, well themed this station is. They put real effort into this. I've got to hand it to them. Looks amazing. We'll let you know what we think on the other side.
Oh, well, good.
So, would it be riding a ride without exiting through the gift shop? Let's see what they've got. Pretty well themed. Got here some actual t-shirts. 1990. I like that. I like that. It's nice. The mugs. And the tankards as well. Got the little kids' cups as well. Character teddies. And you got your more random stuff, your cowboy hats. Yeah, interesting shop. So we've been told there's multiple cycles on this ride. So we got back in the queue, a bit younger now. Probably going to try, hopefully, cycle 2. And I'll let you know which is the best. Back in action. Oh, it's around that way. So we've just done both cycles now. I'm not sure which one I like. I think they're both brilliant, to be fair. They're really good. It's a really, really good family roller coaster. The theming in, especially in the kind of launch station area, really good. Done a real good job. The theming all around the queue, top quality. The ride itself is really good. I think you don't know what you're getting every time. You know, I mean, you've got 2 different experiences, and they don't tell you which one it's going to be as a launch. We couldn't even work out if maybe one was on one cycle and the other train was on another cycle. It was every other. It just seemed really random. So potentially you could ride it 6 or 7 times and only experience the one way. So it's really good. Great investment here, I think. I'm going to go and get on it a few more times, but if you've enjoyed the video, please like, share, subscribe, and we will hatch you again soon. Yeehaw!